Hello, and today we are going to learn how to create a batch manufacturing order. To locate the batch manufacturing order, you can either go to the manufacturing system here, manufacturing order, and you see batch manufacture order here, or simply you can just type up batch manufacture order and get to the same location. So here, what this does is allows you to schedule multiple items into one batch. And we do this by selecting the warehouse or store which you're going to do the manufacturing. You select the date and if there's any notes to go with this. So here is the base part number. I'm going to pick a manufacturing item. I'll select this one here. And here you have the option if there's any variance to select option 1, 2, or 3. If there's not, as in this case, we will move down to the next section here, which is manufacture item. So here is the item here, and we're going to produce 10. I will select this item and move it across. Next item I would like to schedule will be this one here. And again, if you have any variants, you can select the variants here if it's specific, but these ones do not have any variants, so it is just the base part number, and I'm going to schedule 50. I will add that here to the batch. And you can keep doing this to add more and more items if you like. But for here, I'll leave it at these two here. And again, you can change the quantity in here if you like. You can delete it and redo it. Here you have the ability to add a project class in case it's specific to a project or class. And we can do it like so. Down below here you have processes. These are generally defaulted to add later during the manufacturing cycle. However, if there is a process you would like to add, such as die cutting, grinding, whatever else that your manufacturing process uses, you can add it here. And also, same for services here, you can add it at a later time. So here I'm going to go click Generate Batch. And here you can see each individual manufacturing order, created, and you can see the batch MO number here is 20 and 20. So how this looks on the manufacturing order center is I'm just going to refresh the screen, and you can see here's the batch MO number 20 and 20. So these are the ones that we have created as for a batch.